crispy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Betsy. Why are you walking away from me? Happy birthday to you.
Chinese food.
Yay! Hey!
Thank you.
I broke my case. Uh-oh.
How much did that cost?
I'm just kidding. It's fixable. You just gotta pop it back into place. That's all. So hopefully our audio sounds a little bit better on this nice fluffy squirrel camera that we have now.
I hope so.
Betsy's 25 today, y'all.
Yeah, I wrote it down.
She's an old woman.
How old are you? I'm 16. I'm a grandma.
16. I'm a grandmother.
Alright, so I'm gonna go knock a workout out because Snowpocalypse 2020 is on the way. You really can't tell because there's this giant moving truck. It's PCS season, but that's coming our way. So I'm gonna get my workout in, and then we're gonna scramble to the store and get milk, bread, and eggs before everyone dies. Everyone panic!
No, crystals!
Ice crystals! So, I wanted to do a test to see if you could see the little squirrel thing microphone. We need to name this thing. What are we gonna name this microphone? I'm saying it looks like a Rufus. So yeah, that's what we're gonna call it. We're gonna call it Rufus. Anytime you see Rufus in the shot, I really apologize. I am still an amateur videographer. I am not good at this at all. So yeah, there's a big storm coming in, and we're gonna go knock out a workout. Betsy's birthday present should be arriving in the mail later this afternoon. And if it doesn't, then my content's gonna be ruined for the day, because I was kind of banking on that, because there's a big segment that we can do with all that content. Her gift is gonna be really awesome. It's gonna be really personal for her, and I'm really excited for her to get it and to see what it is, and then hopefully have some good laughs about it. So I'm on my way to go work out now. I don't know why I told you that. I already told you that in the other video. Oh, my face is on fire because I gotta use this pre-workout. Because I bought it. Oh, jeez. So, this was really just a test to see if the microphone is legit in the car or not. But you guys get to see the product of that. All right, I love you guys. See you later. Bye. Workout done. I gotta talk to you guys for a second about something. So, the month of January, I worked out every single day except one day, and I made up for it by working out double the next day. And I have to admit, like, only losing 2 pounds the whole entire month was pretty discouraging. I was expecting 10, 15 pounds. I was feeling skinnier. I was looking better in the mirror, and I only lost 2 pounds. So the reason why I tell you guys that is because you need to understand the importance of progress pictures. You need to forget what the scale says and instead focus on just trying to be consistent. So the month of January, I wanted to develop that path of consistency. The old Davis in 2019, after the Super Bowl, first off, he would have had beer last night, and I didn't, because I'm sober now, because God's called me to do so. And he said that he had bigger goals and dreams for me, and the only way I was going to achieve those goals if I quit drinking. I don't know why, I don't know what those goals are, but I'm excited for the opportunity that God's presented. But the old Davis would have drank beer, would have slept in today, and then would not have worked out, and then on Tuesday would have felt like garbage. Okay, but because I've developed this path of consistency through the last month, I got up today and it wasn't even a second thought to go work out. I knew that I had to go do it. Went in there, knocked out my workout. The burpee and sprint combos torched my lungs more than I ever thought they would. It blew my mind how quickly they torched me. But I was doing my Turkish get-ups, and I don't normally do Turkish get-ups. And I did 2 sets of 5, and on the third set of 5, I looked around and I said, you can go home. No one's gonna know any different. You already did the recording that you need to do. You can just go home. But I didn't. And the reason why is because in that moment, I had a conversation with myself, and that conversation was, this right here is the difference between Special Forces and not. This is the moment between achieving your goals and not. It's these little choices. So you have to understand that these big goals that you have, these big aspirations, the only way you're going to achieve them is by winning those little battles every single day. And you're going to have to make a conscious effort that this is your life. This is what you do from now on. You make those small choices that no one knows about, no one cares about, but you know and you care, and you do what is right. You reject passivity. You don't step on the sidelines, and you accept the responsibility of the choices that you have made and the goals that you want to have. I love you guys so much. I'm so glad that I had this opportunity to share this with you. I'm doing this because I'm just a normal guy, right? I'm not good at anything. I'm mediocre at a lot of things. And I'm trying to show you and myself that we're gonna do this together. We're gonna make this happen. And if you work hard enough, things will happen. And I want you to understand that, because I want myself to understand that. And for years, I've sold myself short. So I love you guys. I hope this helped. I hope some of you that were struggling out there listened to this, and this really just got you through what you needed to get through.
Yes.
Go ahead and open it.
Let's go.
What is it?
Welcome to Chili's. Is it magnets or is it stickers?
They're stickers.
Where am I gonna put all these stickers?
Huh?
Where am I gonna put all these stickers?
Wherever you want.
There's a lot of stickers.
It's 100. There are 100 Vine stickers.
Welcome to Chili's.
Hi, welcome to Chili's.
Road work ahead.
Road work ahead?
Go ahead, Davis.
Yeah, I hope it does.
Yeah, I sure hope it does.
Country boy, I love you.
Country boy, I love you.
White Valentino bag.
Lipstick and my Valentino white bag.
To me and my clothes.
Girl.
I'm washing me and my clothes.
Your turn, you're gonna do some.
Careful, children. That's a lot of sodium.
Be careful, children. That's a lot of sodium.
See? Let me see what you have. A knife! No!
Let me see what you have. A knife. No!
It's an avocado. Thanks.
The avocado.
That's one of our favorite ones. Give me that back, Jordan.
Give him that back, Jordan.
You want seal cracker or not?
Do you want to get silk cracker now?
So you just come and bring a birthday gift to my birthday party on my birthday?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
So you just gonna bring me a birthday gift on my birthday to my birthday party on my birthday with a birthday gift?
Happy birthday.
You're not my dad.
What?
You're not my dad!
Can I please
get a waffle?
Can I get a waffle?
Can I please get a waffle?
Can I please get a waffle?
I want to be a cowboy, baby.
I want to be a cowboy, baby.
So what you guys need to understand is Betsy and I have an extensive knowledge of vines.
There's double.
Like an extensive knowledge.
Yeah.
Girl, you're thicker than a bowl of oatmeal.
Burnt.
Girl, you're thicker than a bowl of oatmeal.
Fresh avocado.
Free They got this new thing at Del Taco called free shavacado.
Get to Del Taco. They got a new thing called free shavacado. Free shavacado.
Hey, you know this boy's got his free tacos.
Hey, yo, you know this boy. He's got his free taco.
Stop! I could have dropped my croissant.
Stop! I could have dropped my croissant.
Bruh, chill. I don't know why you're in such a big time rush.
I thought you were American.
Hey, I'm a lesbian.
I thought you were American. Lesbian
equals
immigrant.
Hurricane Katrina?
More like Hurricane Tortilla.
Whoa! Hurricane Katrina! More like Hurricane Tortilla.
That one's for you, Kane.
He hates that one. Hello? No! What are you doing?
Oh, that's it.
What are you doing? What does this one say?
That's just Overland Park. That one doesn't matter.
What are you doing?
That's one of your favorite ones.
What are you doing? This is me and Emily's favorite one. How do we answer the phone, Davis?
What is it?
How do we answer the phone?
Hello.
She's trying to drink water.
Hello.
Hello.
Look at all those chickens.
What is it?
Say it.
I want a church girl to go to church
and read her Bible.
I want a church girl that go to church and read her Bible.
What's better than this?
Guys being dudes.
What's better than this? Guys being dudes.
There you go. Here's your Vine stickers, and here's your Mexican hipster stickers.
I don't know where I'm supposed to put any of these stickers. I just have to get a new water bottle.
Alright, so that's the end of the video. If you stuck with us through all of these memes, then you're a real OG.
You're a real memer.
Real memer. Welcome to the club, memer guys and gals.
Thank you.
This is the end of the video. Did you have a good birthday?
Yeah, I just chilled at home. I did laundry and cleaned the house and chilled at home. I'm just joking. Yeah, I had a really good birthday.
Good.
It was very just being able just to chill.
Man, I'll tell you what. You know what's better than 24?
25.
Thought of something funnier than 24.
Let me hear it.
25.
SpongeBob.
Alright, so that's all for the video. As always, we'll catch you in the next one. 4 principles, 1 goal.
Wait! I like big books and I cannot lie. All you brothers can't deny. Is that a meme?
No.
You sure?
4 principles.
4 principles.
1 goal.
1 goal.
Love you guys.
Love you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey, go, you the best. Hey, say it with the chest. Hey, yeah, wave them high, side to side. Let them know we gon' rise, we gon' shine.
surprised.
It's missing a bulb.
I know.
Or you're not in the shot.
Yeah. So that's what plan is. I'm really bad at transitioning into the next thing.
All right, so we'll see you at Davis's workout. Bye.
Why are you so much better at that than I am?
I'll see you guys at the workout. Bye. That's what you say.
I'll see you guys at the workout. Bye.